What's up, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. The pace of innovation is absolutely relentless, and you're about to get the unmissable updates that are shaping our future. We're diving deep into the AI revolution with insights from OpenAI's CFO, exploring the future of coding education, and uncovering a new contender making massive waves in the AI space. Buckle up, because this is going to be massive. First up is the AI boom truly just getting started. OpenAI's CFO, Sarah Friar, weighs in on the massive infrastructure demands and the incredible revenue growth the company is experiencing. Is this the start of a new era or just a temporary surge? Next, we tackle a question hitting classrooms everywhere. Should high school students still learn to code? An OpenAI engineer makes a strong case for why coding remains absolutely essential, even with advanced AI tools. We'll break down the skills you need to develop. And finally, get ready for a game changer. A new AI warrior is striking major blows against big tech with incredible performance and a price point that's hard to believe. You won't want to miss this showdown. Stick around for all the details and make sure you're subscribed and the bell is on. The AI infrastructure boom is just getting started, says OpenAI CFO. The artificial intelligence revolution is far from over. In fact, according to OpenAI's Chief Financial Officer Sarah Friar, the massive build-out of AI infrastructure is only in its nascent stages. Speaking on CNBC's Squawk Box, Friar dismissed notions that the current AI surge is a fleeting, sugar rush, likening the foundational infrastructure development to the historical build-outs of railroads and electricity. "I think we are just getting started," she stated, emphasizing that the Internet's infrastructure development, in hindsight, was comparatively capex-light. Friar highlighted the insatiable appetite of AI for computational resources, particularly GPUs. "The biggest thing we face is being constantly under compute," she explained. This critical bottleneck is the driving force behind OpenAI's ambitious projects like Stargate, a massive data center initiative designed to meet the escalating demand. The company is actively partnering with major players such as Microsoft, Oracle, and CoreWeave to expand its compute capacity. This strategic expansion is crucial as OpenAI aims to stay at the forefront of AI development. Financially, OpenAI is experiencing explosive growth. Friar revealed that the company achieved its first $1 billion revenue month in July. This follows a trend of remarkable expansion, with reports indicating that OpenAI's ChatGPT mobile app alone has generated $1.35 billion in revenue through July this year, a staggering increase from $174 million during the same period in 2024. This rapid revenue growth underscores the immense market demand for advanced AI solutions. However, the conversation around AI's rapid ascent is not without its cautionary notes. Friar's comments come amid a backdrop of market jitters, with tech stocks experiencing declines partly due to fears of AI overvaluation. A recent report from MIT suggested that many organizations are seeing zero returns on their generative AI investments, casting a shadow of doubt on the immediate profitability for some adopters. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman himself has acknowledged the existence of a potential bubble in the AI market, drawing parallels to historical tech bubbles where initial excitement outpaced sustainable growth. Yet, even amidst these concerns, Altman firmly believes that AI represents the most important thing to happen in a very long time. Don't tune out yet, because the demand for AI compute is so intense. It's creating major challenges for even the biggest players. Next, we're asking if learning to code is still relevant in the age of AI. OpenAI grapples with unprecedented AI computing demands. OpenAI, the powerhouse behind ChatGPT, is confronting a monumental challenge: meeting the escalating and voracious demand for artificial intelligence computing power. Sarah Friar, the company's chief financial officer, candidly shared on CNBC that despite achieving significant revenue milestones, the firm is perpetually struggling to secure sufficient computing resources. "It is voracious right now for GPUs and for compute," Friar stated, underscoring the critical need for massive infrastructure projects like Stargate to bridge the gap between demand and supply. This strategic initiative involves deep collaborations with key partners, including Oracle and CoreWeave, to bolster compute capacity and mitigate supply chain risks. The symbiotic relationship with Microsoft, a major investor and foundational partner, further solidifies OpenAI's position in the AI ecosystem, with many of Microsoft's AI-driven products leveraging OpenAI's cutting-edge technology. Since its groundbreaking debut in late 2022, OpenAI has experienced a meteoric rise. Projections suggest the company is on track to nearly triple its revenue this year, potentially reaching $12.7 billion. This trajectory is further exemplified by the recent announcement of achieving $10 billion in annual recurring revenue and securing its first $1 billion revenue month in July. CEO Sam Altman anticipates that this demand will continue unabated, forecasting that OpenAI might need to invest trillions in data centers to maintain its competitive edge. The company's aggressive spending strategy reflects its commitment to leading the AI revolution, outpacing any previous corporate investment levels. However, sustaining this hypergrowth necessitates substantial external funding. Reports indicate that OpenAI is in discussions to sell approximately $6 billion in shares, valuing the company at a staggering $500 billion. This follows a colossal $40 billion funding round earlier this year, which pegged its valuation at $300 billion. OpenAI has also recently launched ChatGPT 5, its most advanced model to date. While users have lauded its enhanced reasoning capabilities, some experienced temporary disruptions with older model access, though this was swiftly rectified for paying subscribers. On the financial markets, Microsoft, MSFT, stock maintains a strong buy consensus from analysts, with an average price target implying a significant upside potential, reflecting confidence in the broader AI market and Microsoft's pivotal role within it. While OpenAI is pushing the boundaries of AI computation, a debate is heating up about the fundamental skills needed to navigate this new landscape. Prepare yourself for a disruptive new player entering the AI arena, challenging the established giants with groundbreaking performance. High schoolers must still learn to code, argues OpenAI engineer amidst AI automation wave. In an era where artificial intelligence tools can automate complex tasks, including coding, a crucial debate is emerging about the relevance of traditional programming education for high school students. Shimon Sidor, a researcher at OpenAI, has strongly countered what he terms misinformation, suggesting that learning to code is becoming obsolete. On a recent episode of the OpenAI podcast, Sidor asserted that students should absolutely learn to code, emphasizing the enduring benefits of programming education, even with the rise of AI coding assistants like ChatGPT and Cursor. Sidor articulated that the core value of learning to code lies in its ability to cultivate essential cognitive skills. One skill that is at premium, and will continue being at premium, is to have a really structured intellect that can break complicated problems into pieces, he explained. He posited that even if direct programming tasks become less common in the future, the process of learning to code is an exceptional method for developing this crucial problem-solving and critical thinking capability. He drew a parallel to other domains that require rigorous analytical thinking, suggesting that programming serves as a highly effective gateway to acquiring such a structured intellect. Andrew Main, former chief science communicator at OpenAI and host of the podcast, echoed Sidor's sentiments. Main shared his personal experience of learning to code later in life and found it to be an invaluable foundation for interacting with AI, particularly for crafting precise and effective prompts. He used a compelling analogy. Whenever I hear people say, "Don't learn to code," it's like, do I want an airplane pilot who doesn't understand aerodynamics? This doesn't make much sense to me. This highlights the importance of understanding underlying principles, even when leveraging advanced tools. This perspective contrasts with views from other prominent figures in the AI industry. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, has suggested that AI is democratizing technology, enabling individuals to generate code simply by using natural language prompts, potentially diminishing the need for traditional coding expertise. Big tech companies are increasingly integrating AI into their software development workflows. Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai, reported that AI is used to write over 30% of new code at Google, a figure that has steadily increased. Similarly, Microsoft's CEO, Satya Nadella, noted that AI assists engineers in writing up to 30% of code for company projects. Despite these trends, OpenAI's Sidor and Main champion coding education as a vital tool for developing the analytical rigor necessary to thrive in an AI-driven world. Now, prepare for a seismic shift in the AI landscape as a new challenger emerges, directly confronting the established tech giants with astonishing capabilities. Get ready to witness a major AI battle, with a new warrior striking a significant blow to big tech. DeepSeek V3.1 unleashes AI coding powerhouse, challenging tech giants. The intense competition in the artificial intelligence sector has a new, formidable contender. DeepSeek has launched its latest AI model, V3.1, boasting an impressive 685 billion parameters, positioning itself as a significant challenger to established AI leaders like OpenAI and Anthropic. This new iteration not only showcases remarkable performance, but also offers a drastically reduced cost for coding tasks, priced at approximately $1.01 per complete task compared to the traditional $70 for similar services. This aggressive pricing strategy, coupled with advanced capabilities, signals a potential paradigm shift in the AI market. DeepSeek has been steadily gaining recognition, with its previous R1 model impressing AI observers with its speed and accuracy relative to Western counterparts. The V3.1 model appears poised to follow suit, offering a compelling alternative for developers and businesses seeking high-performance AI solutions. The model is now available for download on Hugging Face, a popular platform for AI model sharing, though its API and inference services are still awaiting launch. This release signifies a growing trend of innovation emerging from China's AI sector, with companies like Alibaba and Moonshot also developing models that challenge the dominance of American tech firms. Louis Liang, an AI sector investor at Aimba Capital, commented on the significance of DeepSeek's advancements, stating, "While many recognize DeepSeek's achievements, this represents just the beginning of China's AI innovation wave. We are witnessing the advent of AI mass adoption. This goes beyond national competition." This perspective suggests that the focus is shifting from national rivalry to broader AI accessibility and adoption. DeepSeek's approach to AI development differs from many Western companies, potentially transforming the global competition landscape. A key differentiator is its significantly larger context window, which allows the model to process and retain more information during interactions. This enhances its ability to maintain coherence in long conversations, recall previous tasks, and understand complex relationships within data. This feature is particularly valuable for users engaging in intricate or extended AI-assisted projects. Early performance benchmarks are highly promising. DeepSeek V3.1 achieved a score of 71.6% on the AIDR coding benchmark, outperforming competitors like OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.5, which scored 40%. AI researcher Andrew Christiansen noted that DeepSeek V3.1 is 1% more than Claude Opus 4 while being 68 times cheaper, highlighting its exceptional value proposition. This performance level places DeepSeek among the elite AI models, rivaling expensive proprietary systems while offering a significantly more accessible price point. The model's rapid ascent to the fourth trending position on Hugging Face, even with a quiet release, underscores its immediate impact and user adoption. This rapid advancement in AI capabilities means we need to keep up with all the latest developments. That's all the groundbreaking news for today. Stay tuned for a quick recap and your essential AI updates. And that's a wrap on today's AI Deep Dive. We heard OpenAI CFO say the AI boom is just getting started, learned why coding is still vital for high schoolers, and saw a new AI model blow past competitors on benchmarks. Don't miss out on any of the action, like this video. Subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more, hit that notification bell, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms for your daily AI fix.